Hey guys, it's Natalynne. So museums are finally opening back up again, and being as I'm such an expert because I took 2 semesters of museum studies, I thought I would share with you guys my tips on how to make the most out of your museum experience. Once you decide what museum you want to go to, I would do my research. Do some research about the artists that they have on view. Sometimes museum curators will do a show that's just surrounded by like one artist, or they'll do like a group show with multiple artists on display. I would do some research about it so that when you actually go there and see the artwork, you can like draw some kind of narrative connections between the art and their artists. A day or two before going to the museum, you may want to schedule a docent tour just so that you can get like the most out of your museum experience. If they don't have in-person tours available, a lot of museums offer museum apps where you can kind of like follow along with your phone to like learn more about each of the pieces. I highly recommend going in and reading all the text, the labels next to the pieces of art, or that giant panel of wall text that you see when you walk into the exhibition. Museum curators spend so much time writing out all of these pieces of verbiage because they're trying to cultivate a narrative when you're walking into the exhibition space. Spend more time looking at the artwork. I think there are so many little details that people miss when they look at a piece of art. You gotta look at it like you're playing like I Spy. Maybe you can draw some inferences and connections to their story and their background. All of these little things affect how the composition comes out. So take your time, ask yourself questions, and really spend more than just a few seconds glancing at it. I love eating at museums because when you grab a bite, you can sit on like their outdoor patio and really take in all of the ambiance that the museum has. This is like the time where you can examine the architecture and all of the design details of the building. Museums are such beautiful, picturesque places, and this is your chance to really examine the whole facility just like you would a piece of art. Don't skip out on the gift shop because they always have such cool little like knickknacks and trinkets that coincide with the exhibitions. And even if you just buy like those little postcards that have like pictures of the artwork in front of them, all of those little purchases actually help contribute to the museum's funding. I have a very long laundry list of museums that I still want to go to, so please let me know in the comments if there are any that I need to go and see, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.